Baka nandito si Dumbledore ng Harry Potter. Guys, so new game tayo. Standard lang. Yan, third person tayo. Pwede naman pala mamili doon.
Long ago, a young girl went with her mother to pick berries for her father, who was hard at work.
Pag napapanood ko tong naalala ko yung napanood ko na K-drama, yung It's Okay Not to Be Okay. Hindi ko alam kung familiar kayo doon.
Determined to find the berries, the rascal broke free from mother's grasp and vanished into
Para
the
siyang ganun.
trees.
Pero hindi yung K-drama yung napanood ko,
Mother's
kundi yung
worried cries faded fast as the girl ran
Philippine
on
adaptation.
over vine and under branch.
Ganda ng
and into
animation,
the
no?
forest deep. Feeling strange eyes upon her, the girl recalled mother's scary bedtime tales, and her
Wow,
throat
cool.
became bony.
Wait lang, lagyan natin ng ano. Ay, hindi pala ano, no? Sige, mamaya na lang.
Dry.
Lalagyan ko sana subtitle.
Then the Bat Lord appeared. He greeted her warmly and bit his own wing. Come, child, quench your
Oo, sa
thirst.
2027 nga
So
daw
she
yung ano,
drank the
Code
thick,
Veronica.
dark blood.
Hindi na
and
pala
smiled
nilang
with
gawan
joy.
ng remake yun.
Passing
Tsaka yung
the
Resident Evil 1.
graveyard, menacing storm clouds loomed, and the air turned bitingly cold. The girl was
Grabe,
shivering
lupit ng
in her
animation,
thin
mga
clothes.
dudes.
Then a dark weaver appeared, and with a click of his fingers, crafted mist into a beautiful dress. Come, child, warm yourself, he coaxed. So she
Galing ng
clothed
kwento, no?
herself and smiled with joy.
Yun, nice. Thank you.
Across waters deep and ominous she went, hoping a boat she found would carry her home. But hunger's grip tightened and her heart grew heavy. Then the Fish King appeared and offered one of his many fins.
Oh, amura naman.
Come, child.
Check ko yun mamaya.
Eat your fill. So the girl ate and smiled with joy once more. Continuing on, she soon
Galing
entered
nung ano.
the forest's dark heart. Then an
Galing
iron
ng
steed
animation.
appeared, bearing a beautiful golden gear. The creature said nothing as the girl approached and snatched what she thought was another gift.
Okay. So, hindi pala
The
siya gift.
horse grew angry and summoned the other monsters.
Masyadong
Terror
sobra. Akala mo
filled the
lahat bigay
girl's
sa'yo eh.
heart as the wild wind rose around the beast. Suddenly, a witch appeared, dark yet regal.
Pambirang kwento yan. Kwenta tuloy. Pambirang kwento yan.
Gifts we gave, but more you took.
Galing ni
she
Mia
said.
mag-storytelling,
So
ha?
more in turn is due. In a blink, the girl was trapped inside a mirror. There,
So, yan ba nakuha yung book na yan?
she's asleep.
What is with the creepy story? She's only 6 months old.
Woman at the store said it was traditional.
Village of
A local
Shadows.
tale. Besides, Rose doesn't seem to mind.
Because she doesn't
Nakatulog na lang.
understand it. Thank God. We moved here so that she wouldn't have to deal with any of that, remember?
There's nothing wrong with my memory. You're just being paranoid.
It's not... Never mind. I'm sorry. But I'm not paranoid. I'm just cautious.
Then,
Yeah.
go cautiously take your daughter to bed.
Nakakatakot yung expression ng mukha niya, no?
We'll finish dinner.
And then nakakatakot din yung kwento. Totoo naman yung sinabi ni Ethan. Hindi pambata yung ganong kwento, mga lods. Okay, so naka third person tayo.
Hey, Rose.
Siguro,
Your mother doesn't want to remember it.
ano ba, first person muna ba
I
tayo?
blame her.
Third person na to. Okay, naka third person na. Naka third person na.
Nothing. I'll put her
Okay,
down.
So, okay, punta na natin dito si Rose sa kanyang silid. Ang ganda ng bahay nila. Ang laki. Pagpasok mo, hagdanan ka agad eh. Oh. Wait lang, merong ano eh. Ano ba to? Okay, wala. So, anong purpose ng Capcom? Ba't nilalagay mo pa? Parang medyo nahirapan ako sa sa...
There, there. It's like I said to your mom. That book's too scary for you.
Yeah, eh, ikaw nga, natakot ka eh. Paano pa yung 6 months old na yan, di ba? Kung gano'n yung mga kwento. Teka lang, nahihirapan ako sa sensitivity eh. Wait lang ah. Standard, aiming, movement. Ito, sensitivity, movement, mouse. Pwede ko pa itong taasan. Pwede ba? Sorry. Ay, mali. 10. Movement camera sensitivity with mouse. Gawin natin siguro mga 15. Ito, gawin natin siguro mga 10. 9 lang yung ano niya. Tapos, lagyan natin ng subtitle mga chong. Lagyan natin ng subtitle. Saan ba yun? Sa display, no? Display. O sa audio. Okay, wala mo nga sa audio. Sa audio ba? Nope. Sa language. Ayun. Okay, hindi sa language nga. Sorry. Yan, okay na. Everything is all set. So, diretso natin. Is it your first playthrough? Yes! Wow, English. Mia's medication. She's been on a strict regimen ever since the incident. So, nagme-medicate si Mia since nung siya ay nawala. Or yung incident sa Louisiana. Ano daw? Nasisilsihan si Ethan, di ba? Yung buhok niya yun. Merchant Jam. Okay, mukhang hindi ito yung kwarto ni Rose. Makalat. Malikabok. Hindi para sa mga bata. Okay, so parang nililibot lang natin yung bahay. Ang ganda ng bahay nila, no? Ayun, ito. Dito na tayo. Yan, sure na to. So, ilapag muna natin si Rose.
There you go, sweetheart. Don't you worry.
Nanonood pala sa atin
I'll be right downstairs.
si Mr. Leon.
Weird fairy tale monsters get you.
Okay, so diretso tayo. So I think babalik na tayo dito kay Mia. Ayan, mas gusto ko na yung sensitivity niya ngayon. Mas ox na. Hindi ko alam kung mag-agree kayo sa akin, pero parang gusto ko din siya palaruin ng pure first person naman siya. But for now, laruin natin siya ng third person. Pero parang gusto ko magbukod ng stream na lalaruin lang natin siya ng first person para pwede kayo. Meron kayo pagpipilian pag in-upload ko to sa Red App.
Sleeping like a baby.
Naisip ko lang. Masarap yung niluluto niya.
Oh, hands off, mister.
Aray! Mainit pa yun ah.
Chuba de legume. It's a local recipe.
Sheila de la Goo.
Wow, you've gone full native, haven't you?
Local wine, too. But if you're gonna keep sulking all evening, maybe you shouldn't have any. You really have to stop worrying.
It's just finding you in Louisiana, the pregnancy, just moving us here, military training, it all happened so fast, you know?
Well, at least we're all together.
We're on this thing together.
Now, everything's gonna
Seriously, think we can just forget about what happened in Louisiana?
be... It happened so long ago. I don't understand why you are so...
Sandali lang.
Mia, get down!
Papatigin din akong ganun eh. Ow! Patay si Mia! Mama Mia! Play your game. Ayoko nga. I can't afford it for now. What?
Chris? What the hell?
Yeah.
Sorry, Ethan.
What?
No! What? Why?
Play mo, Chris. Is it Miranda? Are you sure? Kung si Miranda yun, bakit hindi na sabihin ni Chris na, oh, kailangan ko itong gawin ni Ethan dahil si Miranda to eh. Diba? Para magets ni Ethan, diba? Kung ano nangyayari ngayon.
All clear. Rose? The hell you doing with my daughter?
Package secure, sir.
At kung totoo yung sinasabi nyo na si Miranda yun,
Get your hands off her!
Ethan,
sino yung pinuntis ni Ethan? Diba?
Rose.
get him up.
I'm not sure about that. Hindi siya ma-involve. As, you know, parang di mo din mapipigilan dahil, hindi ko alam. Parang gulo-gulo na nangyayari, di ba? Paano naging si Miranda to? At sino talaga yung nanay ng anak ko? First playthrough.
Hey, Doc.
Hello, Mr. Winters. I've got your
Okay, so may flashback.
I'd like you to come in to talk about them. How about next Thursday, 4 o'clock?
No problem.
Thank you so much sa pag-follow.
That was the doc.
Pagkatapos mo ko yung i-spoil.
Hey now. Think positively, all right? We talked about this.
I know. We hardly talk about anything else. I keep.
So si Mia to.
It's not Rose that I'm.
Ah, sorry,
worried
si
Then
si
what
Miranda
are you
to.
worried about? Look, she's gonna be fine. I just know it. What else matters?
about. We matter, Ethan. You matter. You just won't.
Mia, what are you talking about? Is there something you're not telling
Okay
me?
na ngayon, okay na.
Come on, talk to me.
Wala na tayong magagawa, na-spoil na eh. Wow! Iba talaga si
I have to
parang
take
Leon eh. May pag-guide. If you cannot save one, you cannot save many. Leon S. Kennedy. Play my game. I can't afford it. How many times that I'm going to tell you? I can't afford your game right now. It's 3,000 pesos. Unless, kasendan mo ko ng GCash para pambili ng laro mo.
About damn time. What's your status? Is the package safe?
What are you talking about? Where's Chris Redfield? And Rose?
Who is this? This is a secure channel. You are not authorized.
Alam niya, bigyan niya naman ako ng hint kung anong nangyayari. Sobrang nakakagulat kasi, di ba, for Ethan. Maiintindihan mo naman kung ano ang kanyang nararamdaman, man. Asawa niya yun eh. Tapos biglang binaril mo ng ganun. Tapos wala man lang paliwanag. Oo, naiintindihan ko na si Miranda yun at ayaw niya ma-involve ako. Pero, ipaintindi mo sa akin kung bakit ayaw mo ako ma-involve. Ano naman, hanapan na naman tayo ng asawa ngayon. So, hindi lang asawa, pati anak. Lahat na lang hinahanap yung asawa. Pati yung Silent Hill, hinahanap yung asawa. Yung Outlast 2, hinahanap yung asawa. May mga asawa na yan. Laging nawawala. Lamig na lamig si Ethan. Buti rin naka-jacket. Kaya pala siya nag-jacket eh. Para dito. Dilim ah. Do not enter. Pero hindi natin papakinggan syempre. Hindi tayo makikinig sa mga warning sign. Katulad dati. So, ano lang tayo? Ganito lang tayo. Crouch lang tayo, crouch. Uy, ano yun? Ano ba to? Next time, wala akong ano ah. Di ako makapag-English. Nakakabobo. Ano pala? Hindi mo nga nagulat, no? Inintindi ko kasi English ko eh. If I afford your game, I will play it. Baka mapunta tayo sa Silent Hill nito ah. Ayun na po mga kaibigan. May tumatakbo ah. Pwede ba lang tumakbo? Lakad lang. Okay, bawal pa tumakbo. Lakad lang. Wow, ganda. Okay, dito tayo. Grabe, nakaka-exciting yung Shadow of Rose ah. Pero ito muna tayo. Matatapos kaya natin kagad to. Hanggang alas 11 tayo maglalaro mga chong. Pansin nyo kay Ethan, ano siya, no? Ma-OC siya, no? Pati sa Resident Evil Biohazard, merong nakabukas sa gripo dun. Pinatay niya rin, eh. Diba, nag-aalala ka na kung nasaan yung anak mo, yung asawa mo. Tapos ngayon, nag-aalala ka na kung nasaan yung anak mo. May oras ka pa para patayin yung mga ganung bagay, diba? Okay. Sa basement na tayo. Ano to? Examine. Tingnan natin. Ano to? Uy, merong ano. Si Mother Miranda, ano? Si Mother Miranda. Okay. Dalalang pala eh. Wait nga lang, titignan ko kung naka full volume ako. Saglit lang ha. Di ako na ano eh, di ako nagugulat. Naka full volume naman pala ako.
Tara, okay na.
Okay, game na. Oy. Ano yun? Okay, punta na natin yan. Huwag na tayo magpatopik-topik. Bawal pa tayo tumakbo pa. Sino dyan? May dugo. Uy. Baka na sa taas. Sariwa pa yung dugo ah. Baka na sa taas. Check mo, check mo.
What did all this?
What did all this?
Nasaan?
Okay. Ayun, pwede na tumakbo. Let's go. Climb over. Let's just run. Run. Mr. Golden Sun. Okay, nice.
Where the hell am I?
Wow. Grabe, castle. Parang sa Resident Evil, yung Resident Evil 4, parang may castle din dun, di ba? Yung kay Salazar.
Okay na, tara na.
Yun, no? Okay. So, it reminds me yung Resident Evil 4. Sobrang, ano siya, may similarities.
Maybe they're out.
Maybe they're out. Ang pinagkaiba niya lang ay medyo may snow dito sa lugar na to. So, anong part kaya ng bansa to, ano? Uy! May nihila. Mukhang ako nasusunod dun, ah. Parang may hayop, ah. Okay, tama ba itong pinupuntahan ko? Dito ako. So, mag-loot muna tayo. So, unang ano yun, unang tip for survival ay mag-loot na mag-loot. Tingin tayo dito. So, wala malulot dito. Takbo tayo. Okay, diretso na tayo. Do not enter. Pero susuwayin natin yan. Wala tayong pake dyan. Ay, sarado pala. So, talagang di tayo makaka-enter. How about here? Okay, di rin tayo makaka-enter. So, hanapin muna natin kung saan tayo pwede makapasok. Okay, so mukhang dito na tayo. Mukhang meron tayong makukuha dito ah. Uy, ano ba yun? What is this doing here? Kay ano ba yun? Kay Rose ba yun? Yung stuffed toy na yun? How about here? Okay, so hindi rin siya mabuksan. Didiretso lang ba ako dito? Saan na ba tayo pupunta? Pabalik ako eh. Okay, dito tayo. Alright. Look at this place, guys. May mga naka-biktibang mga ulo ng, ano ba ito, kambing. Okay, so mukhang dito tayo papunta. Ano to? Mayroong note. Wait lang, basahin ko. Locked due to missing what? Missing what? Home honor. So, wala daw yung nakatira. So, mukhang dito na tayo pupunta, mga chong. Okay. Okay. So, hindi natin siyang ma-break dahil... Ito. Meron tayong knife. So, iyan na natin. Pag ganito duso. Hindi marunong gumamit ng ano eh. Kapag kailin yun, ganun. Okay. Alright. Tigas sa kortina. Oy!
No! Friendly! Friendly!
Buting dito, mama!
Who sent you? Nobody. There was an accident down on the road and...
Ano ba yung mga
What's
tik-tik?
going on?
Ang ganda ng graphics, man. Ano ba ito? Mga tik-tik ba ito mga to? Mga laban din ng mga tik-tik.
They're coming.
Aswang Chronicles.
Boys, what the hell was that? You have a gun? What? Please tell me you have a gun. No, why would I?
Si Ethan talaga, wala siyang, wala siyang human reaction.
Take it.
Di ba narinig Ethan, may mga may mga nag-growl.
Hey, are you listening? Hey!
Ay pa kasi iniintindi mo, Ethan, kung ang iniintindi mo pa kung nakikinig yung matanda. Ang intindihin mo yung mga parang mga hindi mo pa naririnig. May mga sumusugod sa inyo eh. Ang iniintindi mo kung pinapahingan ka ng matanda. Ano ba, Ethan? Mag-isip ka naman.
Dead body?
No, hindi dead body.
Wait, there's more.
Oh, nakita namin. Ang inaano mo yung kung papahingan ng matanda, eh, inaatake na nga kayo ng parang mga tik-tik eh.
Jesus Christ.
Grabe, pero ang ganda ng ano.
What is wrong with this place?
Ganda ng graphics.
Magnet. Para.
Uy,
Saan?
ganda ng texture ng ng skin, no? Ay, ayun. Meron boy doon! Ayun! Tanggalan dali! Ano ba to? Tik-tik nga!
Shit!
Wasak ang kamay.
What the fuck was that? No.
Nakaka-intimidate. Nakaka-intimidate yung kalaban. Loko. Ano ka? Shucks! Aray! Takbo, Ethan. Takbo. Aray na naman! Wait lang parang ang ng aiming ko. Aiming normal, aiming controller speed, kaya pala eh. Gawin natin siguro 7. Mount sensitivity, okay na. Medyo mabagal yung aiming ko dun eh. Hindi ko kagad siya may ganun.
What the hell?
Okay, sige, okay na to. Grabe yung kalaban dito You can use that here. So, haharap tayo ng bolt. Danger ba tayo? Hindi pa naman. Okay, nakakuha tayo ng herb. So, ang kailangan natin ay... Saan ba tayo pupunta muna dito? Tingin tayo dito kung may mga gamit tayo for, kung may bolt cutter. Ito. Okay, so, buksan natin yung pintuan dito. Grabe, wala na tayong dalawang daliri. May hinihila na naman. Ano to? Ang radyo. Hello? Hello? Nothing. Okay, nice. May handgun ammo. Uy! Shucks. Yan natin. Sarado natin. Sa taas. Baka mayroong kalaban sa taas. Mayroong dugo eh. Ay! Gulat ako. Ano to? Ano to? Uy! Teka, dito muna ba tayo? Katawan ng tao. Sana. Hintayin lang muna natin dito. Parang medyo na-OC ako or naiilang ako dun sa ano. Uy! Naiilang ako dun sa Amy kasi parang masyadong ano, close. Ganda ba sa taas? Shot. Come on, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, lumapit ka. Lumapit ka. Come on, lumapit ka. Ano, di ka makalapit, no? Dali, dali. Dito. Tapos ka na ngayon. Tapos ka na. Tapos ka na. Hirap patamaan. Bilis. Patay. Come on, come on. Wala na akong bala, Chong. Wala na akong bala. Yari. What? Wait. Ako, mamatay ata ako dito eh. Saglit lang. Ah! Agad pa, aray ko. Wala na akong bahala guys, kaya sa kutsilyo na lang. Aray! Nadali! Walang offensive ano. Ay di kailangan na ito mapatay. Sige, mano-mano na lang. Aray! Nadali ako! Patay na, patay na, patay na. Nice, nice one, nice one. Siguro naman titigil na sa labas, no? Nakita niya na patay ko yung kasama niya eh. Pambihira naman.
Is it over?
No. Hindi pa over to. Nasa lugar tayo ng kung saan napakadaming ganito. May radyo.
If there are any survivors out there, come to Louisa's house near the field.
Louisa's house. Okay. So ngayon pa lang nangyayari yung mga ganitong klaseng event. So Louisa's house na tayo. Diretso tayo. Gosh, wala akong ano, mga dudes. Teka lang, wala akong ano. Pwede ba? Wala pa. Wala akong gunpowder. Pero pwede tayo mag-craft ng... Okay, meron tayong another chem fluid. Okay, nice. May shotgun. Wait lang, mag-ayos lang ako ng ano ng item. Shortcut number ano lang to, number 2. And then number, teka lang. Mag-ayos lang ako. Gawin ko tong number 4. Okay. Wait lang. Dito, gawin ko tong number 4. Tapos gawin ko tong number 1. Number 4. Oh, number 3 na lang to. Hindi, number 2. Gawin ko ito number 2. Okay. Okay, meron tayong 6 ammos. Shotgun, 2. Kailangan natin mag-ano mga chong. Kailangan natin mag-ano. Mag-loot. Hanap tayo na malulot. Okay, nice. Okay, so marami na tayong somehow na ano. Mag-ano muna tayo, mag-craft tayo. Wala pa rin. Meron na akong ano kailangan ko pa ng 2? Shucks. Pero mag-ano muna tayo, reload. Ayun na sila. Patayin ko muna itong mga to. Sabog ang mukha ng mga to. Okay, lapit. Kunit. Dama. Dama. Ayun, meron silang binibigay. Uy.
There's no end to them.
May dala-dalang armas, Chong. Oh no. Shucks. Baba. Rusted crop. Nice. Parang ganito. Nice. Another rusted crop. Magano muna tayo. Craft muna tayo. Mamamatay tayo sa lugar na ito mga chong. Come on. Come on, isara mo pinto. Wala na, nabuksan na nila. Nasarado ko yung pinto kanina, nalagyan ko pa ng harang. Shucks, may tumitira ata sa atin ah. Ng pana. Takbo tayo. Oh! May pana, may namamana. Shucks, saan yun? Ayun na sila. Dito tayo. Uy! Sandali lang. Dito tayo. Shucks. Pwede ko sarado to? Bawal, Chong. Wait lang. Huwag ka muna angat. Dito tayo. Ay, nasarado ko pala. Nice. Papasukin natin sila dito. Sige. Ay, ito pala. Ito. Come on! Yes, Master! Yes! Umabot. Taas tayo. Okay.
You're kidding me!
No. Naku, napakadami po mga chong. Paano ka makakasurvive sa lugar na to? Tayo. Come on, dude. Oy! Takbo. Teka, saan tayo pupunta? Sarado yung pintuan dito? Ang lakit. Come on. Shock. Oy! Uy, ano ba yun? Uy! Ba't dito ba si Dumbledore? Uy! Dami! Pambihira. Ikot tayo. Dito si Dumbledore, man. Run lang daw. Yan si Dumbledore, man! Oy! Sadali lang. Dito tayo. Ikot lang tayo. Tunaw. Taas tayo. Taas muna. Don't waste bullet just until you trigger the cuts. Okay. May cutscene. Okay. May cutscene daw. Ay! Oh! Dama ko yun ah. Sorry na. Nag-waste ako ng bullet. I don't have any... if an arrow hits you, that's it. So, kailangan ko magpahit sa arrow. Okay, wait lang. Tatakbo lang ako. Igutan ko lang itong mga chong. Ayun na! Sinamahan ako. Dead na. Mga nakakabayo pa. Pambira. May dala-dala pang tao. Ginawang fishbowl yung tao eh. Sino ba to? Laki! Baka nandito si Dumbledore ng Harry Potter. Kain tayo guys, kain! Para sa Resident Evil 4. Kaya tawag sila ng ano. Saan sila pupunta? Sa bingo? Ang intense nun ha. Grabe yung nangyari sa kamay niya. Di ka na makapag-rock and roll niyan. Tatlo na yung daliri mo eh.
Wait.
Di ba ang lupit ng live streaming natin? Mayroon pa tayong audience na si Dracula. Pati si Dracula nanonood sa atin sa sobrang intense. Meron ba ako malulot dito? Hi Chris. How are you? How's your day going? Okay, so maglut muna tayo mga chong. Sabi ko sa inyo, napaka-importante ng paglulut. Eh. Mamaya natin puntahan yung matanda na yon. So I think wala na tayong malulot dito. Okay na siguro. Puntahan na natin yung matanda. Hard ba yan? Dito hard. Standard lang to. Wala pa ako tiwala sa sarili ko eh. Baka mamatay at mamatay lang ako pag naka-hard tayo.
In life and in death, we give glory.
I'm so soon, Ethan.
Hello? You shouldn't be out here. It's not safe. What the hell? Hey, can you hear me?
Lakasan mo, matanda na eh.
The child's father.
Child? Hey, wait. Do you mean Rose? Is she here?
Rose! Rose, yes. She is in great danger. Since Mother Miranda brought her to the village, we have fallen into darkness.
What are you talking about? The monsters?
Bell heralds danger. They're coming!
No. Wait. Where's Rose? Who's Mother Miranda?
The bell tolls for us all. They're coming again!
Rose is here?
So, ibig sabihin yung, kasama ko siguro tayo nila Chris kanina. Or siguro hindi nila Chris. So, yung other unit siguro ni Chris, kasama tayo kanina. Siguro naka-convoy tayo. Tapos kung saan tayo nakasakay, kasama yung pamilya ni Ethan, siguro ayun yung inambush na kotse, no? Tapos hindi na nalaman nila Chris dahil nasa unahan sila or kasama sila sa mga na-ambush. Ayun lang yung hula ko dito sa nangyari. Okay, so diretso tayo. So dinaanan natin siguro yung lugar na to. Tapos inambush tayo para kunin si Rose. Okay, so wala tayong okay, so naalala ko na. Pupunta tayo dito kay sino yung babae kanina yung sinabi? Si Luisa? Tama? Dito ba tayo? No? No, Nak, no? Wala ditong lugar. Hindi ako nagmamap, sorry na agad. Tinatamad ako hanapin yung ceremony site. Sige na nga, mag-map na ako. Hindi ko pala mag-move. Okay na, sige na. Kunyari lang. Oy, yun! Hi, Cheeseman! Dito ba tayo? No, hindi rin dito. Okay, dito ata. Merong stairs eh. Hindi rin. Pambira naman. Saan ba? Saan ba? Alam nyo ba? Ito. I think ito na. Kita ko na. Oh, Maiden Crest. So siguro ito ilalagay natin sa Amazing Puzzle. Oh, okay. So ano itong mga to? Sila yung mga... Napapanood ko sa ano pala yung pansin lang. Si Lady Miranda, si Dimitrescu. Hindi ko kilala yung iba. Ito si Heisenberg. Kapangalan niya yung sa may Breaking Bad. Na bida, si Heisenberg. So dito tayo, pupunta tayo kay kay Luisa ba yun? Right? Oops, merong merong kalaban. Pero mag-loot muna tayo dito mga chong. Oops. Oy, mine. Mine yan. Mine ko na yan. May ammo. Nice. May rusted crop. Okay. Isarado natin to. Baka mapasok tayo ng Remoto Lisanes. Kaso lang pag sinarado ko may labasan ba dito? Wala, di ba? Oy, may gunpowder. Ayan. So mag-loot muna tayo mga chong. Yan, sige, buksan natin. Wala pala labasan doon kala may labasan. Dito ba? Meron din ba malulot dito? May bahay ulit Okay, parkour. Rusted crop. Shotgun ammo, very need. Kailangan natin yan. Meron ba dito malulot? So wala tayong malulot dito. Pero hanap pa rin tayo. Ulit tayo. Ay, meron pa din, oh. Ano yun? So, kailangan lang natin mas maging maingat dahil may kalaban. O, yun. Bam! Gulat ako. Talsik. Okay, makita ka. Oh. Hindi ko makita, chong. Talon ka nga. Yan. Ay! Woo! Ayan natin kalaban. Tumabura tayo ba? Wag na tayo mag-ubos ng bala pa. Diba? Sarado. Lagi na lang. Very Resident Evil. Ay, merong tayo dito.
Close the door. Please.
Ito na, nakakapasok ko lang. Saglit lang.
Hey, what are you doing here?
Tatago, malamang. Kita ko ba yung mga halimaw doon?
Stay back.
Please, don't hurt us.
Whoa. It's okay.
Wow!
I'm not gonna hurt you.
Sandali
I'm
lang.
just glad to see normal people at last. Have you seen any other survivors?
No. They're all in Louisa's house. And she's not answering and the gate is locked.
Quiet girl. He's an outsider.
Kala ko siya si Luisa.
Oh,
Bigyan mo kay mama.
shit, we're sitting ducks in here. Can your old man walk?
No. One of the monsters cut him. He's lost a lot of blood. We have to get into Louisa's house.
Quiet.
Ingay mo
Must be
eh.
a way inside.
Relax.
Stay here. Be quiet. And don't move until I get those gates open.
Baka sa'yo. Hindi ako mamamatay. Nakapalat armor ako. Huwag ka mag-alala. Katulad ng mga ibang mga bida, may ganoon din akong armor. Flat armor. Okay, so dito tayo daan. Nice. So dito hindi mo na kailangan mag-F para ano no, para mag tumalon sa mga barricades or what. Hindi katulad sa Resident Evil 4. Ano meron dito? Examine natin. Ano to? Maiden Crest. So, dito yung isa nating hinahanap para buksan natin yung pintuan doon sa may harapan. So, mag-loot muna tayo. So, wala na ata tayo malilot. So, okay na. Punta na tayo dito. Katukin na natin si Luisa. Luisa! Buksan mo at papasukan mo kami, Luisa. Okay. So, wala si Luisa. Mukhang tulog. Buksan na natin to para mawasok natin ang ating mga special guests.
Come on, it's clear.
Hurry! Hurry!
Took your damn time.
Ang bihira. Baka ungrateful mo naman. Ako na nga na gano'n eh.
He's not used to relying on other people. I'm sorry.
Sabi mo siya sa tatay mo, masyado siya ma-pride.
We'll be safe in here, won't we?
Hindi ko alam, di ako taga
Safer
dito.
than out there, that's for sure. Hey, do you know anything about what's going on around here?
It doesn't make any sense. Mother Miranda has always protected us.
Nobody's answer.
Father? We have to get inside.
Ito na, ako na bahala.
Hello? Anybody home?
Louisa! Open up! It's me, Elena!
Elena!
Stop shouting. You'll draw the monsters.
Julian, calm down.
Di kami sisigaw kung napapakinggan nyo kami kagad.
Father! For God's sake, Julian, let us in.
No, they'll smell the blood. You'll endanger us all.
My father will die out here.
But that's not my problem.
What's going on?
These people want to let a dying man into our home.
Come now, these people are our friends. Go on, go inside.
Parang selfish.
Come now. This way.
Yung mga ganyan ay yung mga unang mamamatay.
You're not from this village.
No. I'm Ethan.
Julian, go make yourself useful and check the grounds. I said go!
Mamamatay na yan.
If Elena trusts you, and so do I. Come inside, Ethan.
Tiwala ng tiwala.
Wait here. I'll check on the others.
Meron dito. Uy, flip yung page. Ba't di ko ma-flip yung page? Ah, A pala. Ano bang mga bahay na to? Ano to? Ano mga to? Ba't ba natin tinitignan yan? Louisa, they broke in again. Got more of the livestock. I don't think we'll make it through winter at this rate. Ernest still missing too. We can't find him anywhere. Has Mother Miranda abandoned us? So si Mother Miranda dito para siyang si Sadler dun sa Resident Evil 4 Village. Sinasamba rin siya ng mga villagers.
Come inside, the others are waiting.
Fuck is this?
Kung may session tayo dito
Outsiders, you're gonna get us all killed.
Right, Anton. He helped Leonardo and Elena.
We were doing fine by ourselves.
Please,
Wow,
Stephen, take a seat.
Hindi kayo makapasok dito kung di dahil sa akin.
Is this all that's left? From your entire village?
Eh, grabe.
All that's left? There is no one left.
Bus pala sila eh.
A worthless invalid.
Yan, yung mga ganyan tao. Ayun yung mga una rin mamamatay.
Bitch! And you! You drag a bloody man and an outsider in here like it's nothing? And expect to be all safe?
Yan,
There is
yan.
no safe!
Ayun yung mga mamamatay kaagad. Promise.
Sorry bastard out
Mga
there
ganyang tao.
ripped in half. But tomorrow?
Mga ganun pa eh. Maaura pa.
Tomorrow we'll all be dead. Just like her damn husband.
Yan.
Put a sock in it, Roxana!
That's enough! This house has protected my family for generations. And drunk or not, you are all welcome and safe in here.
Whatever.
Nakamatay kaagad
Someone
yan.
please tell me, what the hell is going on here?
We don't know. One day we were a quiet, devout village, and the next, the monsters came and attacked us. And they kept coming.
Wait, Louisa. Where is your husband?
Si Ernest?
They...
No. No, he is out there. Somewhere.
Napatay na rin yun.
He went to get help. Yes, that's it. He
Mukhang
went to fetch help.
gumagawa lang ng kwento itong matandang to eh.
Let us pray. For him. For all of us. Good idea. Come. Gather.
Pray.
Great ones, hear our voice. Together as one in reverence, we call on thee within the endless dark to deliver us into fate's hands. As the midnight moon rises on black wings, so we make our sacrifice and await the light at the end. In life and in death.
Oh, nagpe-pray sila kay Mother Miranda.
Mother Miranda. Now, the tea should be ready. Come help me, Elaine, please.
That prayer, I've heard it before. There was an old woman near the graveyard.
You mean the hag? Dumb bitch is crazy as a bag of rats.
There is wisdom in her devotion, though.
Yung
And
matanda
I hope
kanina.
it protected her as it shall protect us.
Ayun na. Kumpento na yung prayer.
Doing?
Leonardo, what's wrong? Are you okay?
So nakaka-infect pala yun. Ay, pangbuka. Nakaka-infect pala yung...
No, let me go!
Yung kagat. Yung cut na nangyari sa kanya. So, ano mangyayari sa atin?
He'll kill us both! We have to go!
So, nakagat din tayo. So, ma-infect din tayo. Ang hina pa ng barrel natin. Pambihira naman, no? Yari. Naka po. Lipad. Wala nang tatay-tatay eh.
I said no!
Dama.
Oh my god. I'm so sorry, Father.
Hey, That wasn't your father
Hindi mo
anymore.
natatayangin yun.
You did the right thing. Elena, no! There's nothing you can do!
So ito na ba yung mga kasama natin sa Elena?
The place is collapsing! You couldn't save him. He was already gone.
Leave me alone.
No, we're getting out of here. Together.
Pero si Mia pa rin, Ethan ha? Si Mia pa rin, okay? Remember that. Si Mia pa rin.
I gotta get out of here.
Okay, so kailangan natin humanap ng paraan para makatakas dito sa lugar na to. Okay. Mukhang gagamitan natin yung kotse na yun. Dito ba? How about here? Here. Okay, dito tayo. My coin. So take the screwdriver out of the keyring if you need it. Screwdriver. Okay, nandito na yung track key. Examine. Okay, meron pa pala dito. Okay, may screwdriver din. So mag-loot pa tayo. May another shotgun, ammo. Ano pa, meron pa ba tayong loot dito sa lugar na to? So I think wala na. Dito pa. Okay, wala na. So balahan muna natin yung shotgun natin.
Damn, the fire's moving fast.
Okay, gamitan natin yan.
What are you thinking?
Step back. We can bust out with this.
Let's go. Aray ko pa, sakit ata na. One more time. Grabe, tibay na pinto. Yun lang.
Ethan, are you alright?
I'm fine. Let me back up again.
The fire. There isn't any time.
Nowhere to go but up.
Dalihan na natin. May kumakalat yung apoy.
Grab on. Hurry. Let's move.
Bagal nga natin eh.
Don't worry. And try not to breathe in the smoke.
I know. Thank you, Ethan.
Takbo lang.
I hope your family is safe.
Pambihira.
Come on. It'll hold.
Come on.
There. That's our way out.
Thank God. But what then? The village is still full of monsters. We can't fight them. There's too
It's either
many.
mamatay ka sa loob ng bahay na yan o sa labas ng bahay na yan.
We'll find a safe house to put you in until I can find my daughter. My hunch is she's in that old castle.
No. That place is full of nothing but blood and death. And I don't want to be alone while your father?
Well, your father?
Elena, no. That's not him. Not anymore.
Ako, nagsalita pa yung mga kahinaan eh.
Wait, it's not safe.
Parang yung kay Brad. Bakit siya nakagat ni Brad eh. Parang si Marvin. Nagsalita sa Brad.
Come on.
Wala na.
Give me your hand.
Tayo na yan.
Ethan, go! Save your daughter!
Elena, don't give up. Reach for me. God damn it.
Saan yung katawan? Parang di ko makita yung katawan.
Why is everyone dying on me?
Kawawa naman si Elena.
This is just too much.
Kawawa naman si paring Elena. May malulot ba tayo dito?
I just don't get it. This place has gone mad. Why the fuck is this happening again?
Pinampok mo yung may sugat pa. Sakit ata nun. Okay, so far, ang ganda ng laro. Ang ganda din ng graphics. Okay, kuha na natin tong Maiden Crest. I think yun yung pinaka-reason kung bakit tayo nagpunta dito para makuha tong Maiden Crest na to. Para mailagay natin dun sa may gate. At from there, tutungo tayo sa may castle. Uy, may napapak ang baril. Ano yun?
Who's there? Stop! Mother Miranda!
Ano yun?
Hey!
Ay! Ito na si Mother Miranda mismo. Hala, sino yung...
What was that?
Kung sino na yun? Sino yung tao na yun? Dito ba may katawan niya? Saan? Tara, dali na natin. Kasi medyo mahirap makipaglaban dito dahil maraming maraming nakaharang. Ito na naman yung matanda.
Death. Yes. Death has visited them all.
Naaning na yung matanda na yan. Tara na, diretso na tayo. Hindi siguro na kayo ng gamot. Okay, so ilagay na natin itong mga to. Ito. Shucks. Diba? What? Ito. Okay. Nasanay ako sa Resident Evil 4 yung na lang. Pilit ka lang ng pindot, tapos bahala na yung kung saan nyo ilalagay. Ayun na, bumukas na. Castle Dimitrescu.
Nothing but blood and death. Huh?
Wala natin yan. Kayang-kaya natin yung mga blood and death na yan para sa ating anak. Para sa aking minamahal na Rose. Si Magneto.
Didn't think anyone was left. You must be pretty tough. Huh.
Who the fuck are you?
Oh, you're not local.
Mumurahin mo ba yan?
Even better.
Kita mong may ganyang powers. Mura mo pa.
Mother Miranda's gonna love you.
Bakit mo mumurahin yung nakikita mong nakakapag-bend ng metal? Loko. Kikita mo nakakapag-bend siya ng metal, yung mumurahin mo.
Wait, you're whining. We're almost there.
Teka lang, baka matanggal yung kamay ko ng stapler.
The man is of no real use to anyone else, and my daughters do so love entertaining foreigners. Furthermore, I can assure you if you entrust the mortal to House Dimitrescu, my daughters and I will live in
Way ugly! I want to see! He's away!
Brother, shut the fuck up!
What? Where?
You mean you'll screw around with him in private, and where's the fun in that? Give him to me, and I'll put on a show that everybody can enjoy.
Ugh, so gauche. What do we care for bread and circuses? The man thinks suffering is assured.
Yak, yak, if a man's dick is cut off in the castle, blah, blah, blah.
I've heard all your arguments. Some of you were
May media mga
less
kabida.
persuasive than others, but I've made my decision. Heisenberg, the man's fate is in your hands.
Mother Miranda, I must protest. Heisenberg is but a child, and his devotion to you is questionable. Give the mortal to me, and I will ensure he is ready.
Shut your damn hole! And don't be a sore loser! Go find your food somewhere else.
Quiet now, child. Adults are talking.
I'm the child. You're the one who's arguing with Miranda's decision.
You wouldn't know responsibility if it was welded
Oh,
to
keep
that
glory! One day your head might actually fit your ego!
Hey, don't I get a say in this?
Silence! My decision is final. There will
Ang cute lang na nakikita mo yung mga kontrabida nag-argue eh.
Remember
No?
from whence you came.
Na may pamiting na ganito.
Lycans and gentlemen,
Okay, like pala mga tao
we
sa mga
thank
to.
you for waiting. And now let the games begin. Let's see what you're after. Ethan Winters. Get ready. No, wait! 10, 9.
Ginawa pa tayong ano, entertainer.
2.
Let's go!